G'day YouTube, JB from Oz again. So back at home on the AL960, and I've started to do some work on the front panel. Essentially I'm using the cover, which I've just cut a relief around the motor given its position here. It's secured over the top so the safety Nazis are going to be happy. An e-stop so that if all else goes bad we can stop it in a hurry. A jog button and a power LED, so we'll have an LED, a jog, an e-stop and our frequency adjust knob in the middle. So progress, got to do a bit of deburring, slight bit of resizing on a couple of the holes, but other than that, happy days. Alrighty, back. So motor cover is on and I've drilled and tapped and positioned LED for on, jog button, VFD speed control and the emergency stop switch. So that concludes tonight's episode, I reckon. I'll show you some footage on the rebuild of the pallet trolley, which I completed earlier today. But look, that's starting to look like a buttoned up enclosure alongside the controls. All the important stuff's there. I'll then mount my electronic VFD monitor on the actual screen, the touch screen that I'm going with our scales and our constant surface speed pickup and control. I'll have a manual auto switch, I think, to switch between manual and automatic spindle speed control. And the, what do we got? CNC run. So essentially that takes on the function of turning on or enabling the function for actually auto or semi-automatic CNC. So basically the cross slide controlled by a stepper and a scale as you manually or automatically feed across a part to drive the cross feed in and out. Fun. Bit of mess to clean up. First chips. Not quite from the lathe, but certainly of the lathe. Yeah. Getting close now. So our next fun seal is this plunger seal. That's the new seal, the old seal, new dust seal, old dust seal. That's the old X-ring, we can get rid of that now. That's one we've already put in. This one's tricky. It's a two-piece seal. So my guess is going to be that we need to put the second piece in after we put the first piece in. Because the first piece is a right bunch. We don't want to chip or scratch or rub or do any damage to this seal, so we need to be very, very careful of it. Well, that seal was an absolute bugger. It seems that the installation method is to remove the O-ring, put the seal in and then pull the O-ring up from underneath. Having done it just now, I wouldn't do it again. Pain in the arse. Now, this is just a lip seal, so that hopefully will be a little bit easier than the last exercise we just had. Easy peasy. Alright, in there goes the spring, in goes the plunger. Get a dabba do ya. Check that the seal goes on nice. Tight, nice and tight. Alright, a bit harder than I wanted it to be, but it is in. Alright, moving along. Essentially, bugger. That should be enough to lift 2 tons, I'm reckoning. Next piece the gland washer. So we have a seal and we have a dust seal. Seal glue. Make sure we get the new one. Get in there. Of course, you don't want to roll these seals when you put them in, you just want to have them gently go in and not twist. Easy peasy, jabber squeezy. Bit of sealing on that one. Bit of a jiggle. Alright, second set. Okay, so there was a bit of sharp edge on this ring, so just giving it a light touch with some wet and dry. Try and take some of the edge off it. Let's see if I can go. So we've now got our end nut in place, wear ring, and I'm just about to put the new seal over the end of the piston. Then we can reassemble him. Bring it back. Final gland washer to go. Got my monkey wrench. Got my cylinder all together. Wish me luck.
So unfortunately, when I didn't have my phone repaired today, I lost a little bit of footage, both of the lathe and also of the cylinder repair. So didn't get to see some of the tricky putting together and pulling apart. But here you go. Thanks to all my new subscribers, and I hope you enjoyed this. I look forward to seeing you again. Bye.